Why do so many learner drivers fail their first driving assessment? The answer is simple. They expect assessors to help them, to act like instructors, but their position is to assess you, not instruct you. I'm talking about people who are well prepared but still can't pass their driving assessment. I'm not sort of counting people who are unprepared and go and they fail. So that's a different category, and that's a topic for another video. Be aware that the assessors assess your driving. They will tell you what to do, but they will never tell you how to do it. Because if they give you any assistance, verbal or physical, that's immediate fail. Often we hear stories from people that ask the assessor, what's the speed limit on here? They can't tell you. Based on your actions, they're going to mark you, and they'll determine whether you pass that test or not. Think of the driving assessment that you need to do everything unassisted. In conclusion, driving test candidates who are well prepared to go for their driving assessment, they are competent drivers when assisted, when reminded of things, because they've never done it without assistance. That's very simple fix. So prepare yourself mentally. Talk to yourself. You can even speak loudly to yourself. Checking my mirror, indicating right, looking over my shoulder. You can speak to yourself. They shouldn't mind if you do it because it's your show. You are financing it. It's about you. It's not about the assessor. So remind yourself and potentially even act like your instructor within yourself. Like, if you speak to yourself either silently or loudly, that's acceptable. Remind yourself. You have to be able to perform to the standard in order to pass your driving test. I hope that this information will help you pass your driving assessment. As always, feel free to ask any questions in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time. If you are nervous about doing your driving assessment, this video is for you. Majority of people who feel anxious about anything that they're doing, they feel anxious because they care. You care about the result. When you drive into the licensing center car park, always imagine, I'm going to do my test within the next 15-20 minutes. Visualize. Do it as many times as possible.